This is a fully functioning data center. This is just like you'd see out on a job. You have telecom racks, you have servers coming in, computer systems, it's security systems, it's fire alarm systems, camera systems.
And this is what makes it a very valuable piece to us, because now we can move into the next level of training our apprentices.
I think it's important that they actually get their hands on the actual equipment, not just sitting in a classroom and learning, but this is a living classroom as well as a living data center.
We started with the computer floor, and underneath that computer floor we have the cable tray systems that house the backbone cables, the fiber optic cables, the data cables, the coax cables throughout the data lab. As you walk around the data lab, you can see the inside of the wall. The students can pull cable throughout the wall, and they see that what's inside a wall, and that's very important because we can point out things during training that you can't see through a piece of drywall.
It's just like they're going to see on the job, pulling wire through the wall. Even if you look up in the ceiling here, you're going to see cable tray. It's a tight spot, it's a hallway. It replicates what you're going to have on the real job. You're not going to have some wide open space that's real easy to work on things. You're going to have to get up in some tight spots, learn how to set up a ladder safely, properly, work at heights. It's endless training opportunities here.
The first thing that you have to do to enter into the data lab, and the students will learn this technology, is an eye scanner. It measures over 2,000 points on your eye, and it's accurate within 1 to 1.5 million. You will not get into this data lab if you are not registered through this scanner and through its database. Then you have to go through a commercial grade metal detector to enter into the data lab. Then you have to card in through your access control to make sure that your ID is correct. And we want to train students on all of these technologies so when they go out there, they have the capabilities to install an eye scanner, to install a metal detector, to install a card access control system.
Giving them that concrete, hands-on approach to everything that they're going to see out in the real world.
Having the capabilities to stand next to a student while they're doing an actual install on any piece of equipment is absolutely critical. It's at that point that the instructor can focus in on technique, not just bookwork, but actual install of conductors.
I think it's important because it shows our commitment to producing the most highly skilled technical workforce we can produce.
We look at fire alarm systems that is now transferring over to networking. We look at audio-visual. We are now able to push more power through a data cable than ever before, and that opens up a floodgate of possibilities of things that will be fed through networking. It's estimated by the year 2020, the things that will be plugged into the network will quadruple in number. So this is an industry that's exploding.
The data center is amazing. This is like the best hands-on learning. All the new technology they have, they are currently building that into this data center. They update it all the time. Like some of the testing equipment we had here before I had it out in the job.
The future here for training is going to be endless. The nice thing about this data center is it's upgradable. Technology changes so quickly. We need a good platform to work off of that we can keep up with technology. And I believe we'll be able to do that and make sure that our people, not just our apprentices, but our journeymen, can come back here and learn the technical skills that they need to be the best electricians out there.